Hi weight artists, today we're going to be creating a spring rabbit. We are going to start with the background. We're going to be using some neon oil pastels or crayons to create some little dots all around the top half of our paper. These are going to be the centers of our flowers. Then we're going to use some shades of green to create some long wavy lines for the stems of our flowers. Be sure to press down as hard as you can. You want your lines and dots to be as dark as possible. Now we're going to use our watercolors to paint some circles around each of the dots. The oil in your oil pastels or the wax in your crayons will resist the paint. Then we'll use some green to go over our stem lines. Today we're going to be drawing the rabbit. We will start by tracing the shape for the rabbit's head. I'm drawing kind of dark so that you can see my lines, but I really want you guys to draw as lightly as possible because later we will be erasing all our pencil lines. Now lightly draw an oval. Inside the top of the oval, draw a curved line. Then draw a smaller oval inside your first oval. Then, starting at the nose, draw a curved line up and out. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Start at the bottom of the nose and draw a curved letter J and a backwards letter J. Then we'll draw our rabbit's eyes. Now draw a big oval inside each eye. And then 2 little circles inside each oval for the reflection. Next comes the tall ears. Try to make the ears touch the top of your paper. Then add some lines for the shoulders. Then we're going to draw some curved lines inside the ears. We want to have the same number of lines inside each ear. So if you draw a line on one ear, make sure you repeat it on the opposite ear. Leave some space in between each line. You don't want your lines to be too close together. Now we'll draw some curved rainbow lines in between the eyes. Remember to space these out as well. Next, we'll add some curved lines to each cheek. Now it's time to put away our pencil and take out our Sharpie. With your Sharpie, you will trace around each oval and the little circles inside, and then fill in this space. The only other thing we will outline is the letter J and the backwards letter J. This next step is going to take a lot of time. So do one section at a time and don't give up. I want you to persevere. Basically, you're making short little lines inside each space. You want them to be close together, but try not to have them touch. You don't really want your lines to connect with the lines from the last section. So try to leave just a little space between the rows. Keep filling in the lines at a slow but steady pace. You don't want to go too fast, but you don't want to go too slow. Feel free to take little breaks if you need to. Here I'm going to speed up the video, but make sure you take your time. These rows of lines are going to create the illusion of texture. When we're finished, we'll have a very furry looking rabbit. Whew, that was a lot of work. Now I'm going to take my eraser and erase any pencil lines that are still showing. Now it's time to take out our scissors and carefully cut out our rabbit. Then we will glue our rabbit to our background. Now line it up along the bottom edge of your paper and glue it down. Don't forget to flip your paper over and give it a quick little massage. Now you can use your Sharpie to add some little eyelashes and some long whiskers. I hope you had fun making your springtime rabbit.